My name is Deshaun Ward. I'm a senior civil engineering student at the University of Kentucky. I transferred from Kentucky State University, and at that school I majored in applied mathematics. I found out about the scholarship through the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet website. I've gained many things from this scholarship. One of those things is being able to pay for my books and education at the Kentucky State University and University of Kentucky. Another is the opportunity to work in the summers with the Transportation Cabinet. For the past 4 summers, I've worked in the construction and maintenance office in the section office here in Lexington, and it's allowed me to see projects from start to finish, like the New Circle widening project or just the Brandon Crossing corridor being built. And it's just allowed me to get a bigger picture of how a project all comes together. What excites me the most about the program is that after I graduate, I'll be able to immediately work with the Transportation Cabinet, putting to use the skills that I've worked hard to obtain with the degree and able to see it pay off.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Briefeld. I am the Traffic and Permits Engineering Supervisor here at KYTC District 6 in Northern Kentucky. I was selected in 2008 as a scholarship recipient. I attended the University of Kentucky and I graduated in 2011. Upon graduation, I started my full-time journey here at KYTC District 6 in Northern Kentucky. I worked in various sections, ultimately ending up in our traffic section, working with over 500 traffic signals here in Northern Kentucky. And now I'm serving in our traffic and permit section. I would recommend the scholarship to any high school student interested in science, math, or engineering. It's a really great opportunity, and I would encourage them to apply.
Well, I'm Mike Hancock. I'm the Deputy Secretary of the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet. I've been with the Cabinet since 1975 when I started as a scholarship student and worked my way up from an EIT-1 all the way to the position of Secretary back in 2009 through 2016. And I'm currently serving as Deputy Secretary and enjoying that role working for Secretary Jim Gray. My career has been one where I've been blessed at many different levels throughout the career. Blessed to know some wonderful people throughout this cabinet, first and foremost, and through those relationships was able to accept new challenges along the way, and some of those challenges were some pretty major projects. Back in my planning day, I worked on the AA highway, the Alexandria to Ashland Highway as it was known at that time. And then more recently, the Louisville Bridges project was something that occupied a great deal of my time as we took a project that had been 40 years in the discussion stage and actually turned it into a reality with Indiana and built 2 new bridges in the Metro Louisville area virtually at the same time using different funding mechanisms, but just an incredible adventure and also an incredible way to culminate a career in many respects. The Transportation Scholarship Program is second to none. In fact, we're one of the few in the country where we actually seek to bring high school students into our scholarship program and then actually work with them through school and graduate them into a job from which they can have their own career and do great things for transportation in Kentucky. The scholarship program is one that caters to anyone and everyone, but once you're in and you begin to learn and you begin to grow in this system, the sky's the limit, and I'm a classic example of that.